Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel R91 Motors. Today's video will be about Piaggio Vespa GTS water pump removal. Check it out. Right then, so that's the engine himself. You see my previous video why we took this engine out, and we suspect a couple of problems. We got a problem with the water pump, there is a noise inside. Then we got a problem with the piston, because we got a lot of smokes coming from exhaust, which I think it could be a problem with the piston rings, but that's going on the next video. This video will be about this water pump. We're going to remove all pieces and see what kind of noise it's making and what the problem is. We're going to start with this hose in here. We're going to unconnect from a cylinder. So we're going to use one of these screwdrivers. I call them minus or negative or whatever people call them. We're just going to undo this screw in here. And it's nice and loose, so slowly pull it out. There we go. Yes, there is a bit of water leaking, so now we're going to carry with this 1, 2, 3. For these 3, 1, 2, 3, we're going to use this screwdriver. As we take this first part off, basically I suspect the problem already. Problem is here. Look at that. Wow. How we did that, I'm not too sure, but it's broken. It's not doing its job and it have to be replaced. The water pump actually was making noise and I was a bit worried about, but we end up with these little pieces in here, so I don't think it's that bad. But what I try to say is, if you got only issue in the water pump, you don't have to take engine out completely. You still got access to work with your moped. So there we go. That's the problem suspected for the water pump. But we still take all parts off. So now we will remove one, 2 screws. Hopefully they will come off nice and easy. There we go. Another part off. That looks fine. Yes, it's a bit old. We will clean it up, tidy up a bit, but I think you do work, so there's nothing wrong with this in here. Right, let's carry on. So now we got to unscrew, which is one in here inside. There is an Allen key, and also we got one in here, if you see, and one in here. So you got 1, 2, and 3. Let's remove them 3. And for them 3, we're going to use 2 like this, which is an Allen key head. Should be coming off nice and... So I do apologise, there is not only 1, 2, 3, but there is a 4. Yeah, so that's what you got under water pump. There's nothing to do in here. It looks fine. All plugs, it looks fine as well. In here as well. So all good in here. And that is your water pump. You've got 3 parts. Don't see any issues with this one in here. It looks pretty good. It's damaged. What reason? I don't know. But you have to be replaced. So I check it out, the prices and that as well. We're gonna end this video. This is gonna be part 1 because nothing else I can do right now. I'm waiting for the part to arrive, and I got this in the pieces. That's your water pump and ease down. Unfortunately I got no parts, so we have to stop all this and wait till the part come, and we're gonna do second video. We're gonna put everything back, refresh it and put back on engine. Thanks for watching, hopefully you enjoy, and I'll see you next video.